Hello guys. Today we'll learn some tricks to insert DWG file to Revit correctly. First, we have to separate the plans from each other and save each one as follows. We take a common point and move it to origin. We are doing the same thing here. Ctrl S or save. Now the files are ready to be imported. In the Revit program, we click Insert. We can choose Link CAD or Import CAD. We'll choose Import CAD. We choose the file. Colors, I can reverse the colors or turn them black and white. Layers levels, I can show all layers or just visible. Import units, you have to choose the same unit of the CAD file. Here I'll choose meter. Positioning. Place at the level I'm standing at right now to draw the plan. After we draw the first plan, we repeat the same steps to insert the second floor. More tips, click on CAD plans. I can choose delete layers to choose any of the layers I want to delete. I can also click on explode to dismantle the map and control each drawn line or move it or cancel it and others. I hope you benefited from this video. You can leave your questions and suggestions in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.